Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate the candidate onboarding process in Mera Udyog. First go to the dashboard, then navigate to the recruitment module and click on applications. Here you will see the applications dashboard where candidates are organized in different stages. For example, candidates move step by step through the hiring profile. You can simply drag and drop candidates from one stage to another based on their progress. Once a candidate clears interview round 2, move them to HR round. As soon as you move the candidate to the HR round, interview management form will open automatically. Here you can schedule the interview by selecting the interview stage, assigning interviews and setting the date and time. You can also choose the mode of interview like online or offline and add a meeting link. Then click on schedule interview. After the candidate clears the HR round, move them to the offer accepted stage. Now the onboard as employee form will appear. Here, fill the details like department, designation, system role, and branch. You can also select an onboarding form, which will be sent to the candidate to complete their joining process. Finally, click on onboard employee. This completes the onboarding process and the candidate is successfully added as an employee in the system. This is how you automate candidate onboarding in Mera Udyog. Thank you.